Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to unlock your keyboard on Windows 11. Right now, if you can see, I can write down literally everything that I want, but if you on a specific way hold your shift key for 8 seconds or you did something wrong, your keyboard is not responding. Right now I will show you exactly what will happen if I hold my shift icon for 8 seconds, your right shift key, you will get this message just right here. And it's saying, do you want to turn on filter keys? Now, maybe in a very strange way, you turn this one on. Now, let's see if I turn this one on, you can see that I can't write anymore. So right now I can't write and my keyboard is locked. What we need to do now is hold your shift key again for 8 seconds and keep in mind, hold your right shift key for 8 seconds. Okay, let's do it. Alright, that is 8 seconds. And right now if I write something down, this is exactly what you need. And you see my keyboard is working again. So that right shift key is your friend or your enemy. It's on the way how you look to it, but please hold it for 8 seconds and then everything changes. Alright, this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. And then from now, thanks for watching.